Hello friends, subscribe my channel, press the notification bell icon for more technical videos. So today I will show you how to create a hotspot Wi-Fi in a Windows system. So open the command prompt as an administrator. Here it is, command window. Now we will run the command. Type netsh So now we are inside the netsh. Now we need to enter the command wlan space set space hosted network and space mode equals to allow space SSID. We will create one SSID. You can name it anything you want, so I am just entering the name of the hotspot and a space key. So key is the passcode, so I am entering the pass 123456. So you can use it as per your need. So it's enabled now. Now we will run the another command to start the Wi-Fi hotspot. Enter wlan space start space hosted network. Okay, so the command has started the network, hosted network. It will take some time to show in the windows. You can also use the wlan stop hosted network to stop this Wi-Fi hotspot. We are just checking. Yes, now it's identifying the network. We will wait for some time, let it complete. Exit this window, this command prompt window. Here it is, hotspot. So we have created the hotspot. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and share video. Please subscribe my channel for more technical videos. Thank you.